In primetime news this evening, lawmaker loses legal battle against BNS in bank fee case.
Police make breakthrough in shooting death of Homewood Technical High School's bus driver.
And hotel workers continue to clamor for better wages and working conditions. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Anthony Lug.
And I'm Kelisha Williams. A special welcome also to our viewers online at onespotmedia.com. Now coming up in the financial week, Consumer Price Index CPI for October remains unchanged. That and more later in this newscast.
And Spencer is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer?
Thank you, Anthony. Well, the West Indies have lost their T20 International Series against England, but they'll be playing for some pride in the penultimate game, and we'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports later.
Thanks, Spencer. And Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Kelisha. Now, for this weekend, we do have shower and thunderstorm activity that is expected mainly across sections of the east on Saturday, migrating further towards the west on Sunday, but drier conditions are forecast thereafter.
I feel like it's been raining non-stop in the past 2 weeks.
Trust me. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your views on the Reggae Boys' performance Thursday night against the United States?
You can share comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.